Are you curious about the role of a technical recruiter? Let's dive into what makes this position both exciting and impactful. Top 5 responsibilities of a technical recruiter. As a technical recruiter, your work is central to building a strong IT team. Here are the top 5 responsibilities. First, you'll write and post technical job descriptions that clearly outline skills, qualifications, and expectations for each role. This helps attract the right talent right from the start. Second, sourcing candidates from niche platforms like Stack Overflow, GitHub, or LinkedIn is crucial. These platforms are treasure troves for discovering highly skilled professionals. Third, you'll need to screen resumes for specialized skills and technical qualifications. By parsing through details carefully, you'll shortlist candidates with precision. Fourth, conducting structured interviews and technical assessments will allow you to evaluate candidates thoroughly. This ensures only the best suited professionals join your organization. Finally, you'll collaborate with IT team leaders to forecast hiring needs and align recruitment efforts with organizational goals. Each of these responsibilities contributes to the success of your company's tech teams, making your role indispensable. Every remarkable journey begins with discovery. In recruitment, sourcing candidates isn't just about filling a role, it's about uncovering talent that's waiting to shine. It's about more than databases and keywords. It's about asking who has the potential to drive change, who has the passion to make a difference. From LinkedIn profiles to referral networks, every search is a chance to connect people with opportunities that could change their lives forever. Because when the right person meets the right role, it's not just a match, it's a transformation. An interview is where the journey takes shape. It's a conversation, one that goes beyond skills and experience to uncover a person's values, passions, and dreams. Conducting interviews isn't just about asking questions. It's about creating an environment where candidates feel seen, heard, and respected. It's about understanding not only what they can do but why they do it. What drives them? What excites them? Because every answer holds a story, and every story is a glimpse into their future potential. Success in hiring isn't a solo effort, it's a team victory. Collaboration with hiring managers is where visions align and strategies come to life. It's about more than filling a vacancy, it's about asking the right questions. What's the team's biggest challenge? What skills can elevate this role? What type of personality will thrive here? Together, we build a roadmap for success, ensuring every hire brings value, not just to the role but to the organization's culture and future. Because great hires don't just fill gaps, they shape legacies. The recruitment process is where potential meets opportunity. Managing it means being the guide, the steady hand that ensures every step is smooth and purposeful. From reviewing applications to coordinating interviews, and from keeping candidates informed to providing constructive feedback, every action is a reflection of professionalism and care. It's about seeing the big picture while paying attention to the smallest details, balancing speed with quality, and empathy with efficiency. Because recruitment isn't just a process, it's a promise to both candidates and employers that their time, trust, and efforts are valued. The offer stage is the culmination of effort and trust. Negotiating offers is where recruitment becomes deeply personal. It's about understanding what truly matters to the candidate, be it growth, work life balance, or financial stability, and aligning it with the organization's goals. This stage requires empathy, clarity, and a firm commitment to fairness. It's not just about closing the deal, it's about ensuring both parties feel excited about the future. And follow ups. They're the unsung heroes of recruitment. Checking in shows care, builds trust, and leaves a lasting impression, whether it's a congratulatory message for those joining or a warm note for those moving on. Because every interaction matters. Recruitment isn't just about filling roles, it's about building lasting relationships, one conversation at a time. The field of technical recruitment offers a clear growth trajectory. Entry level recruiter, starting as a junior recruiter, you focus on sourcing and screening candidates. Mid level specialist, at this stage, You manage end-to-end recruitment processes and build pipelines for niche roles. Team lead or recruitment manager, leading a team, you strategize hiring plans and mentor junior recruiters. Director of Talent Acquisition or HR head, at the pinnacle, you shape organizational talent strategies and oversee recruitment across all departments. And guess what? You can also transition to roles in HR management, employer branding, or learning and development. Did you know? In India, the average salary for a technical recruiter starts at an impressive 1.8 to 4 LPA for freshers. As you gain experience and move up the ladder, mid-level recruiters earn between 4 to 8 LPA, a strong testament to the growth opportunities in this field. And here's where it gets even better. Senior positions, like recruitment managers or directors, can command salaries ranging from 15 to 30 LPA or even more, depending on your expertise and the organization you work with. In recruitment, the sky truly is the limit. So, if you're passionate about connecting talent with opportunity, this career path offers not just meaningful work but incredible rewards. Technical recruitment is booming across India. Companies are hiring freshers in metro cities and smaller towns alike, offering them the chance to work with leading IT firms and startups. If you're eager to learn and grow, this is the perfect time to step into the industry. Role of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing recruitment. From resume screening to candidate matching, AI tools streamline processes and save valuable time. For example, chatbots can handle initial queries, while AI driven analytics help identify the best talent faster and more accurately. By adopting these tools, recruiters can focus more on building relationships and less on repetitive tasks. To excel as a technical recruiter, mastering these tools is essential. Applicant tracking systems, ATS, like Workday or Zoho Recruit. Sourcing platforms such as LinkedIn, GitHub, and Naukri. Communication tools like Slack and Microsoft Teams. Boolean search techniques for targeted candidate searches. Analytics platforms to track recruitment metrics. Equipping yourself with these tools ensures a strong foundation for your career. Who should choose this career? If you enjoy connecting with people, have an eye for detail, and are fascinated by the tech world, this career is perfect for you. Whether you're an extrovert who thrives on interaction or an introvert with strong analytical skills, there's room for everyone in technical recruitment. Many believe only MBA or BTech graduates can succeed in recruitment. But the truth is, any graduate, whether from BCom, BA, BSc, or other backgrounds, can excel in this field with the right mindset and training. Specialized degrees might give you an edge in understanding organizational processes, but passion, curiosity, and a willingness to learn can bridge the gap for others. So, no matter your degree, with hard work and the right skills, anyone can build a thriving career as a technical recruiter. Hello, fresh graduate. Feeling uncertain about how to kickstart your career? You're not alone, but we've got you covered. At Clogic Softtech, we specialize in turning career struggles into success stories. Our goal? To empower you with the skills and confidence to thrive in the real world. Through our Hire Train Deploy program, we offer practical training, personalized guidance, and mentorship tailored to your unique strengths. We are here to bridge the gap between what you know and what the job market demands. And guess what? Thanks to our network of top-tier companies, your dream job could be just around the corner. Why wait any longer? Your bright future starts now. Connect with us today. Drop us a message on WhatsApp or give us a call at 8984335454. Clogic Softtech, guiding you every step of the way, from dreams to reality.